The way I just landed from a plane less than like 2 hours ago, and I'm already at another meet, and there's like just so many like nice things. That's an S1000 RR with an M package. That's a fast looking Supra. Cute looking STI, fake taxi, a couple bikes out here. The new Golf R, some light. Those two Beamers are so clean though. Sheesh. Yeah. There's also a 765 LT. That is so random. I never even like. Yeah, I don't know. There's a pretty big meet that just got shut down a couple miles away. So there's just a ton of just crazy tough cars just coming in and out here. Oh, this thing is mad clean. The purple in this is so nice, man. If I ever get a supercar, it'd be a crazy color like this. Yeah, no, that's tough. But honestly, I'm not even trying to do anything hot boy. I'm just trying to cruise around tonight. And I just like ended up like meeting a bunch of these guys, and we all just kind of mobbed to the station here. Ooh, M2, okay. Something light, something clean. I think it's awesome. But yeah, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just trying to go for a little cruise. I'm not trying to do nothing too crazy. I just really miss my car. I haven't driven this thing in 2 months, and this is the first night I bring it out. I'll bring it out, and we got all of this going on. But it is what it is. It's the culture, man. It's the culture. Okay, so apparently this M2 that I said was super clean is actually my boy. You see this guy's car on the channel before. In 2 months, so much has changed. I literally did not even recognize this car as his. I would have known it was your car. If I was, oh yeah, it's my fault, bro. I'm low-key deaf as hell, bro. You know I am. But nah, that's crazy, dude. So much has changed in this car. We saw this car when he literally just bought it, like 2 or 3 months ago, and now there's like so many like different stuff that I did not even recognize that this was his car. This is so okay. No, this is okay. So what did you do to it since last time? Okay, so lower springs. Yeah, lowering springs. Side skirts. I had a front lip, but I put a carbon fiber too. Okay, some light. DRL. Had a front lip, but hit some same. Bro, it just exploded up. No, like the way splitters and lips are just not good for anything. My logo flew on the highway. The what? Oh. Now it's just like a sticky. I thought it was just like blacked out. No, it flew off on the highway. Oh, that's kind of tough though. I got the center cap. Oh yeah, he has the balancing center caps. Nah, that's tough. Then there was the crank hub, the mid pipe, stage 1. Crank hub, mid pipe, stage 1. Damn, stage 1. You already gapping Hellcats? That's crazy. Nah, that's insane. This looks some. Dude, this. Red eye though. Not red eye. Not yet. This looks completely different from like when I first saw the car, bro. Alright, y'all. I've been driving around for a minute, but you already know the first thing I had to get when I came back was Canes. I miss Canes so freaking much, y'all. I needs that. Yeah, so, oh my gosh, I parked next to this like super clean X4 M40i. This thing's dope. Yeah. All right, let's go eat. I'm hungry as hell. I need that little 3-finger combo inside me. Wait. Pause. Funny story. Some guy did not pick up his order, so they gave me this for free. But I already paid for my order, so I'm getting this double Canes. That's so ridiculous, but hey man, I'll take free shit any day of the week. You car guys are broke as hell, so I'm gonna take anything I can get. Okay, so we're going to Buggy's. We're taking RX7, and we're leaving the soup here. I brought water. Okay. Wait. Okay, hold on. Oh. Yeah. I got it. Slam it, right? Yeah. Is that good? Okay, so we're not gonna be late. We're good, right?
Yeah, actually we're pretty fine.
backup camera? Question mark?
I took off the tape, so I don't have the tape to put it on previously.
Oh.
I was gonna do it later, but I'm not ready yet.
Okay, well, the crew is all back together for the most part. I'm leaving the Supra at home because my rears are busted. The Mercedes guy has a C6 now. This thing's clean. Like, somehow this car is like a 2006, but his paint is nicer than my 2021, which is like crazy. But that's American muscle for you. Yeah. Anyways, you know, we got the usuals. Drag pack on his Mustang now. Like, that's crazy, dude. You got the fronts and like the bigger rears. Dude, this thing looks so tough. This is like what I wish my car could look like if I had the money to build it, but unfortunately I don't. And the Coros, they were so comfy, low key. Like, we rode here, it was like 35 minutes to get here, and it was so like, they weren't that bad. Like, I expected the ride to be so much worse, but it's pretty good. So it's just like, yeah, it isn't too bad. This man got a swim permit sticker now. Oh, that's a street racing permit sticker. That's tough. I need one of these. Even though I've never street raced in my life, that's still hella tough. Swim. Oh my gosh. I think they all have swim stickers. That's crazy. That's cool as hell though. Alright, so we are all heading out to Buc-ee's right now. A little line for tonight. F-Type RX7 GT Performance Pack 330i C6 Corvette, and then 370Z. And I'm in the RX7 tonight. I'm just gonna be on roller duty for this whole time, yo. I'm gonna be so honest. Either that, I'm gonna be sleeping. But we'll see. It's a Buc-ee's. Ooh. Okay, little RSX. We got the crew all parked up over here. Something light.
Didn't they stop pop-ups in like the 80s?
Okay, so this is actually a 2013. That's why the color is so nice. But it's still like matte clean. And it's a glass Targa. That is sick. This car is just really nice in general. And it's like tinted and shit. Can I open your door?
I don't know if you can do it from that far.
Yeah, no, I can't. It's not working. There we go. Oh, damn, this shit is clean. Oh my god, it smells like a Corvette in here. Oh my god, I miss this smell so much. Some people are leaving, some people aren't. But it is 12. This was the thing I was making out of noise. This is insane. We were all driving the speed limit though. Yeah, this man is modifying his car in Buc-ee's.
Let me see how it looks.
Stop. Don't let this man cook ever again. Modifying the
that's
whip.
it. That's all the mods I'm doing.
It's 1 in the morning. This man just installed like what would you call these? Tints? No?
Tail light covers?
Tail light covers, yeah. So now it's darker. Come on, turn on the. Yeah, no, that's valid. And it kind of like the level of brightness kind of matches too. Whoa!
What the fuck happened?
Okay, maybe.
Holy shit, that's not. Bro, what? I'm just
Okay.
why am I not noticing that?
Oh wait, is this your actual tail light or is the cover?
No, it's the fucking, the tail is broken.
What?
Dude, that bitch is broken.
Oh.
Did you disinstall something or maybe?
Well,
No.
That's
It can't be, because that's a whole chunk of that missing.
yikes. You know what? That's just a sign for Euros, bro.
I think so.
No, that's crazy. That
did
might
not
be
notice
that
that?
might be a sign.
The front of the tails is so fucking bright.
At least it's still clean though. We are piecing out of the Buc-ee's. Gonna head home. It is 1 in the fucking morning. Oh Lord. What is up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed the little video. This is editing Steve here, just doing the little final edits, final stuff, just to, you know, make it all look good for you guys so I can upload it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm so sorry for the couple months hiatus. I literally went for an internship. I was going to upload videos during the time, but I'm not gonna lie, the time escaped me and I was just enjoying myself in Texas. But the videos are back and I will continue to be uploading. I will continue to be making content for you guys. I have this video. I'm probably going to start editing the other video a couple days from now. So we should have an upload a week for the next 2 weeks. Hopefully. Well, this counting as a week technically. So there should be a video next week. That's what I mean. I'm sorry. It's been a minute since I've actually done this stuff. So I'm a little bit rusty. But I am back nonetheless. And yeah, I'm just going to grind it out. Make some videos, make some good content for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. And yeah, be kind to yourselves, be kind to the world, be kind to each other, and be good people. Peace and love.